came to Congress, I worked in local government as a county supervisor. One of my proudest achievements during that time was working in a bipartisan way to create a program that reduced the rate of uninsured children in our county by over 90%, all before the Affordable Care Act was signed into law. Since the Affordable Care Act, I saw firsthand the direct and positive impact of this legislation over the past 7 years to communities and families across the Central Coast. The Affordable Care Act meant Sarah from Lompoc could open her small business and afford insurance coverage for her 2 children. It meant that Kathleen in San Luis Obispo, who was diagnosed with ovarian breast cancer, that her $500,000 medical bill was covered by her health care plan. It meant that Adrienne from Buellton now could afford to pay for her husband's nursing facility, as his debilitating disease prevents her from being able to physically care for him. Repealing legislation that has improved the quality of life, not only for Sarah, Kathleen, and Adrienne, but for over 20 million Americans who have gained health insurance under the Affordable Care Act, be callous, cruel, and irresponsible. Instead of taking away health care from 24 million Americans, let's work together to create a more equitable, affordable, and accessible health care system for all.